Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I just got something out of the mail. I have not seen it with my own eyes in person yet, so let me tell you about it just a little bit. I got it for my Alma BB. Oh boy, it's a dull knife. I got it for my Alma BB, and it's from, you guessed it, Fashion File. Let me fix my my camera a little bit here. Don't pay me any attention because I'm a hot mess. Got on my pajamas. I work for Wofford College, so they threw us out of there, as you know, from the coronaviruses. So just chilling. That's what I'm doing, just chilling. This is how they packaged everything. See that there? And it looked like they got some kind of, oh, let me tell you about this. This is the fingernail file. You know, we get that. The thank you, the package with the receipt in it, blah, 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 and this, that, and the third. Okay. I got this for my Alma BB, like I said. And believe it or not, I'm doing something that is unprecedented for me to do. There it is. And that is to mismatch. I'm not really, I got this Alma BB and I got it in the color that I'm not particularly always used to doing. I went out on the limb. Let me just show you the Alma BB. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna dress it up, my Alma BB right here with what I got, okay? This is my little Alma BB. I think it's so cute, and is in a color that is so pretty that ordinarily I would not be this bold, but that's what I did this time. And then I'm gonna put this on. Isn't that cute? Let's see. I'm gonna put this on. Let me just put this on now. And all right, and watch what I have. Okay, we'll put this to the side for a minute. All right, here we go. So this nice, lovely little Louis Vuitton box, and it's got the serial number on there for, you know, Fashion File have their own serial number stuff. And it's got dust bag from Fashion File. We'll put that to the side. And this is what I purchased. A bandolier strap. A bandolier strap. That is gonna be so different. But I have a wallet in the combination of this and this. It's a combination. So it's gonna work out with this. So let me kind of look at it. I know some of y'all probably saying, oh my God, that ain't even right. But I think it's just different. Look at that. I think that's gonna be just, I know it's hard to see. Let me fix this again. Y'all forgive me. Oh, I just can't get the camera right without y'all seeing me looking crazy. Okay. So, I think it's gonna be different. You know, it's gonna be different, and that's what I got it for this particular bag. I think it's gonna be like a, you know, really give it a pop. And like I said, I got a wallet. When I get that wallet in, I'm gonna show you all of it together, because it is it's gonna work out good. It's a perfect match with the wallet, because the wallet is hot pink and monogram, and it's got a little touch of rose ballerine, and it's gonna go so good with this combination right here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that you would do that. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost anything. But for those of you who always come and watch, I so appreciate you. You are why my channel is, and I appreciate you very, very much. Okay, thank you. This is Alexandra. I'm alive in Goshen. Have a blessed day.